look around you, man. Look around you, man. There's tens of thousands of people here, man, who came to see you play football. Hey, we're here for one reason only, and that's to get a win. Get away, get the hell out. Get away, get the hell out.
Taysom Hill drops a pass in from Mike Thomas, 44 yards on the reception.
And Thielen with a great catch at the 35.
A.J. Green. Yeah!
Beckham makes an incredible one-handed catch.
Gonna loft it down to the end zone, and it is caught. A one-handed grab. Mo Alley Cox, touchdown!
I saw the ball coming. It's kind of high.
Now throwing deep down left side, and Hopkins with a one-handed grab.
That was kind of nice, right? It's so pretty, so pretty.
How does he do it? But it's going to be pass interference.
It doesn't even count.
That's not a penalty.
And my one-day kids.
Throws it downfield, and it's caught by Grant. The ball pops up, and Devontae Parker makes the catch on the ricochet at the 30-yard line.
Good play call. Good play call.
That one's batted back to Wentz, who made the catch, and is going to have a first down.
Throws tipped, jumping catch though on the tip ball in the end zone. It's a touchdown, McCaffrey.
We got to win inside. Quick hands, lock out, get off, and tackle.
The urgency got to pick up right here. Stay on this run and then get after the pass. That's all we got to do.
Not this time. What's going on?
J.J. Watt with his 8th sack of the year.
Donald gets there immediately, sacked at the 15.
They've got an extra guy every time. They will not let me one-on-one.
Good job, keep rolling. Keep running.
Dan's about to break. The dam is about to break.
This is what we live for right here. Let's go. Go be great right here. Go be great. Go be great.
And now he's gonna run upfield. He's a runner.
Newton's going left to the 10, Newton to the 5. Cam Newton has taken it home. Hurdles a Bronco. Scrum Trelesson.
Collins spins free at the 10, to the 5, he's in, touchdown, Alex Collins.
Great run. Big time run. Way to work.
Fastball, Olsen end zone, yes sir, touchdown, Carolina.
Are you a blocking tight end? Are you a passing tight end? Are you a gimmick tight end?
I'm a gimmick guy.
You're a gimmick guy?
More, we need more, boys. More.
He's going to throw to the end zone. Tyler Lockett is out there. He makes the catch. He's in. Touchdown, Seahawks.
What a throw by Danny Amendola. Like how you do it like a quarterback. What a throw. Puts a man under it.
Keep fighting.
The field goal is up, and he's done it. He's done it. Adam Vinatieri has just become the NFL's all-time leader in points scored.
Plane ride about to be smooth.
Back to the States. 8-0, baby, yeah.
You're out. 9-9, you're out. You're out.
Then give me a piece of pizza.
Cheese curds? Anybody got some cheese curds?
Now you're talking. You get some cheese curds?
Cheese curds or some brats?
I mean, at least a hot dog.
Brats and cheese curds. Let's go.
You get a brat and a cheese curd, I may just fall asleep right here.
You're not even the last one, AB.
You're not
even the last one. What is up with that?
Nice game.
Good to see you. How y'all doing? Yeah, come on.
Hey, doesn't come out often, but if 8-0 feels good, give me a woo! This ball goes, how often do you get to say this? This ball goes to the greatest of all time. Cheerio on 3. 1, 2, 3, cheerio.